Meh.
Oh, nice.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
Okay, you're from Philippines?
Yes.
Okay. Do you want to hear music? Do you like music?
Yes.
Do you know with whom are you talking now? You talking, you talking with a great musician. Now you are talking with a great musician. Music, I will play it, and I'll try to hear you some music. Okay? Can you sing me a song?
I can sing.
Why you can't sing? Then, then why you said you love music? Why?
I love, but I don't want to sing.
I played guitar, so you have to sing now. Please sing my song.
I can sing.
Why? What's your name?
Myra.
Myra. Wow, nice name. Nice to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you too.
Okay, thank you.
Meh.
Oh, nice. If you try it, you will be a great singer. Please do it again.